Welcome to the Cavalier Campus Shop. I'm Mariah, the Campus Shop and eCampus assistant. Here you'll find a wide selection of clothing, school supplies, electronics, and gifts. Everything you need to be prepared for class and show off your school spirit.
Whether you're gearing up for your first day or just forgot a pencil, we've got you covered. From backpacks to calculators, headphones, and more, we've got all the essentials for daily success.
Looking to show your Cavalier pride? We offer a wide variety of clothing in many sizes and styles so you can represent Western your way. We are thrilled to showcase our sports-specific apparel for athletes, fans, and families. Stop by the Fan Zone and gear up for the next big game day.
Need help with textbooks? Our knowledgeable team is here to assist with all of your online eCampus textbook orders.
And don't forget, each term, students can charge up to $1,300 for course materials on eCampus and up to $200 for school supplies right here in the store.
Stop by in person for a one-on-one walkthrough or use one of our convenient kiosks located throughout campus. Ordering kiosks are available just outside of the Student Life office, in the Welcome Center, and inside of our store. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email us. We are always happy to help. See you soon at the Cavalier Campus Shop.